Learn how to effortlessly create a compelling voiceover using AI voices with Fliki AI. Begin by logging into Fliki AI and navigating to the Scripts option from the left panel. For better organization, you can create folders to categorize scripts by projects. Click on New Script, enter the script name, and hit Create to enter the Script Editor section. In the Script Editor, where you input or paste your text for conversion to audio, start by selecting the voice for your script, such as Sarah. The Voice Selection menu allows you to filter voices by language, dialect, and gender. Some voices offer various styles, indicated by a thunder icon. Listen to a sample voice by clicking on the speaker icon and choose the suitable voice. Each section of your script can have a different voice for a natural conversational feel. Play each section individually by clicking the play button, and you can also download each section as audio. Fine-tune the audio by adjusting speech rate, pitch, and emphasis. Insert pauses between text by highlighting the section, clicking Add Pause, and entering the desired value in seconds. Enhance pronunciation by using the pronunciation map for specific words like names or abbreviations. Replace text by entering the replacement text in the map. Easily add new sections by hitting the Enter key or pressing the plus button. To add a finishing touch, incorporate background music by uploading a custom audio file or choosing from the stock library of copyright-free music. Adjust the background volume and hit Save. Listen to the complete script using the main play button in the bottom player. If satisfied, download the audio file. For seamless integration, embed the resulting audio in your website or blog. Navigate back to the script list, select the Embed option, copy the code, and paste it into your web page code. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you next time for another exciting tutorial. Until then, happy exploring!